bottle, it means if you flip this bottle correct, you chop one pop off. If not flip it correct, you not chop any pop off. We have the top 3. Hey! The top 3! I shall not say that we win them. The top 2.
Use for me, rub on our face.
Second.
Rub it on our face.
The top 2. So we won't flip bottle.
I think I'm second and a half.
We won't flip this bottle. So before we flip and we go first spray. Father.
Only water. Only Michael. Water maybe. Let's go.
Hey! Did you know my your father?
Hey! Almost.
I'm not motivated enough, but I'm just going to do it.
Out of bounds. Everybody, do your own again.
Drop cash.
No balance.
Drop cash.
Fountain of water.
I'm grand on that.
Because what fun?
Everybody, close your eye.
Saga want tea.
Get what I want to do.
Are you a politician?
Wow!
Why are you behaving like a certain politician? Why are you behaving like a
honestly, guys, both ways, this is what the country looks like.
Politician. It's not their name.
Yeah! Almost. You almost became the vice president.
I don't see the trick.
You almost became the vice president. Just very good. The lords, the gods, the ancestors,
Allow me something for you. Almost delicate they got.
I said, why they
take all the way to go outside?
They call your...
I like to bring people closer to me.
Mad.
Wow.
Think it's exclusive.
Okay, we don't have to
Try. I don't waste more time.
Trial 1. Trial 2. See, come.
I want to toss cake.
If doesn't have pot and spoon, because
I feel like 5 pounds here.
Mike, don't worry. Oh, you be there water tea now. You're supposed to be friends with me.
Yeah, you started the Marines.
Yes, I did.
Chop me.
You get general, come get Lord Lieutenant.
You started the Marines. I
I'm like, this country balance.
Guys, this
But we're not giving up.
after this one, if we no do it, just me say we know we do it.
Black because we never put money on top. We have to flip this bottle.
Yeah.
Gee, you know this thing, man. I've been saying it.
Let's put money. You know. Look at 500. Take up 500 for ground. You know you do this thing.
No, just chill. Wait
500.
I know they like what
$500.
now they form hands.
We don't take some. We don't up these things. No problem. 1,000.
Let's go. Don't change hands, drop her there.
What do you mean?
No, now, you want to rub me cash
spin
for
your
this.
Now you will show.
The stakes just got high.
The stakes just got high. For each
We like change that to Gogoro, nothing.
What your
I'm not having that much money.
What your family finish? You never do it.
Did you get? Like, come out for Central Bank. Saga, the roof.
One. Fuck. The stakes just got high.
We like bring dollars. I thought they like to bring people
The
close.
stakes just got higher. Are you motivated?
But we like to pay for. I pay 2 times now, so no.
Yeah, don't pay 2 times. Now,
I say if you like, go back for Central Bank.
Is it corruption?
See now.
Are you the corruption? No problem. See my own money now. Market men don't touch the money, those kind of things. When you come out, mint. Now you get Central Bank.
Listen, bro. It's my duty.
EFCC
it's
will
my
catch you.
civil duty to make sure currency circulates.
EFCC will catch you.
Currency have to circulate. I'm just doing it.
What?
I'm helping the government circulate it.
this money on the plenty, oh God. What if he lands on ground and stand on
You
ground?
know they do what? Because it's like the money is getting mania. I'm playing here. Oh, wow. This game is
Who get for your motor?
I don't get.
I guess you need that money.
I'm very happy to my co-debaters, power of judges. Yes. On behalf of my fellow buddies in the ministry, I have accepted this token from Wazobia FM. Thank you so very much. I appreciate this kind gesture. Look!
Bunch of pop-ups.
Surround my table. Bunch of pop-ups.
Jesus! What a lie!